So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of Blue Star Inverter AC remote in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the on-off button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is the temperature up-down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees, do it. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button after that is fan. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the speed of the fan is in auto. Right now the speed of the fan is in low. Right now the speed of the fan is in medium. Right now the speed of the fan is in high. You can control the speed of the fan according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the speed of the fan to high. The next button after that is mode. There are 4 functions given in the mode button. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode in the remote. Right now the mode is in cool. Right now the mode is in dry. Right now the mode is in fan. Right now the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the information about the mode in detail in very simple words. All the buttons of the AC remote work in cool mode, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in rainy season and sticky heat. So using AC in dry mode removes that humidity. The next mode after that is fan mode. In fan mode the AC will not cool, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you only want to use the fan of AC, then you can use fan mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, then auto mode will come. In auto mode your AC will work automatically and AC will work as per its requirement. The next button is Eco, Clean. To turn on Eco mode, simply press the Eco button once. The Eco mode of Blue Star Inverter air conditioner reduces power consumption by using less energy. This mode automatically adjusts the fan speed and temperature. It also helps in increasing the life of the AC by reducing the wear and tear on the compressor and other components. Use Eco mode when the outside temperature is not too high. Using this mode reduces power consumption and results in lower electricity bills. Benefits of Eco mode. It uses less compressor capacity than normal mode. It automatically adjusts the fan speed and temperature. It reduces the wear and tear on the compressor and other components. Then press and hold the Eco, CL button for 3 seconds to select clean mode. Then the clean function will turn on. Whenever the unit is turned off from the remote, the blower will continue to run on low speed for 5 minutes to dry the indoor unit cooling coils and squeeze out the moisture completely before stopping. The blower will turn off after 5 minutes. You can use this function to dry the cooling coils. The next button after that is sleep. Sleep mode automatically adjusts the room temperature to make it more comfortable. To turn on sleep mode, press the sleep button until sleep appears on the display. The sleep mode on Blue Star air conditioner AC automatically adjusts the temperature to create a comfortable sleeping environment. This mode increases the temperature by 1 degree Celsius every hour for a certain period of time. This mode adjusts the temperature to compensate for the natural drop in temperature at night. This ensures that the room is not too cold and uncomfortable. This mode allows you to sleep without having to wake up to change the AC setting. This mode creates a calm, quiet environment. This mode is intelligent and produces less noise. The next button is swing. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up-down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the swing flap of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing flap will start working automatically. The next button is light. By pressing the light button, the display of your AC will turn off but your AC will remain on. This button can be used only to turn off the light of the display of the AC. After that, the next button is timer. By pressing the timer button, the timer off time is displayed. To turn off the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer off. In the timer, you can set the time from 1 hour to 12 hours. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically in 7 hours. So now I will set 7 hours with the temperature up and down buttons of the remote. Now I have set the time in the remote. The timer off time has been set. Now by pressing the timer button once, the timer will be set. With this button, you can only set the timer O. If you want to cancel the timer, press the power button of the remote twice and the timer will be cancelled. The next button after that is turbo. Generally, whenever we switch on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this, the room cools down very quickly. The next button is fix and lock. With the help of fix and lock button, you can increase or decrease the capacity of the AC. For example, you can increase the capacity to 2 tons on hot days when the room is crowded. On mild days, you can decrease the capacity to 1.7 and 1.5 and 1.2 tons. In C1, the AC will cool the room by working at 1.7 tons. In C2, the AC will cool the room by working at 1.5 tons. In C3, the AC will cool the room by working at 1.2 tons. You can use C3 for mild days, C2 for medium cooling requirements, C1 for hot days, and when you need to cool the room quickly, do not use this function. If you have understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to my channel.